MBA crash course on business research methods and design. Introduction. Welcome to our MBA crash course on business research methods and design. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the world of business research, share captivating stories and examples, provide an overview of the top 12 business research methods, and conclude with a poetic and melodic tribute to the pursuit of knowledge through research. Section 1. Business research methods and design. Business research plays a crucial role in generating knowledge, informing decision-making, and driving organizational success. It involves systematically collecting and analyzing data to address business challenges, explore opportunities, and gain insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and industry dynamics. Let's begin by exploring fascinating stories and examples that illustrate the power of business research. Story 1. Netflix's data-driven approach. Netflix, a leading streaming platform, relies heavily on business research and data analysis to inform its content creation and recommendation algorithms. By leveraging user data, viewing patterns, and customer feedback, Netflix can tailor its content offerings to individual preferences, providing an unparalleled user experience and driving customer satisfaction. Example 1. Procter & Gamble's consumer research. Procter & Gamble, a global consumer goods company, invests significantly in consumer research to understand evolving customer needs and preferences. By conducting extensive surveys, focus groups, and product testing, they gather valuable insights that inform their product development strategies, ensuring they deliver innovative and desirable products to the market. Section 2. Top 12 business research methods. Business research encompasses a wide array of methods and approaches. Here, we present the top 12 business research methods widely used by organizations. 1. Surveys. Gathering data through structured questionnaires to collect information on opinions, preferences, and behaviors. 2. Interviews. Conducting in-depth, one-on-one discussions with individuals to gather qualitative insights and perspectives. 3. Focus groups. Bringing together a small group of participants to engage in a guided discussion, providing rich qualitative data. 4. Observation. Directly observing individuals or groups in real-life settings to gather data on behavior and interactions. 5. Case studies. In-depth examination of specific cases or situations to gain a deep understanding of a particular phenomenon. 6. Experiments. Manipulating variables in a controlled setting to test causal relationships and draw conclusions. 7. Secondary data analysis. Analyzing existing data collected by others, such as government reports, industry studies, or academic research. 8. Content analysis. Systematically analyzing textual or visual content to uncover patterns, themes, and insights. 9. Ethnography. Immersing oneself in a particular culture or environment to observe and understand behavior within its natural context. 10. Social network analysis. Mapping and analyzing social relationships and interactions to understand network structures and influence patterns. 11. Data mining. Extracting patterns and insights from large datasets using advanced analytical techniques and algorithms. 12. Action research. Engaging in a cyclical process of research and intervention within an organizational context to drive positive change. Section 3. Summary. In this MBA crash course on business research methods and design, we explored the essential role of research in generating knowledge and informing business decisions. We discovered how companies like Netflix and Procter & Gamble leverage research to gain insights and drive innovation. Business research methods encompass a range of approaches, from surveys and interviews to experiments and data analysis. By understanding and applying the top 12 research methods, organizations can make informed decisions, identify market opportunities, and stay ahead of the competition. Poem. In the realm of knowledge, we embark. Business research, a journey in the dark. Through stories and examples, we unveil the power of research, the knowledge we inhale. Netflix's algorithms, a data-driven tale. Recommendations personalized, never to fail. Procter & Gamble's surveys and tests, a consumer's voice. Products tailored to desires, the market's choice. Now let's delve into the top methods so vast that shape business research, a truth unsurpassed. Surveys, the foundation, opinions they seek. Quantitative data, insights they speak. Interviews, one-on-one, a deeper dive. Qualitative richness, perspectives alive. Focus groups, a gathering of minds. Ideas and discussions, innovation finds. Observation, silently watching behavior. Uncovering truths, with a keen observer. Case studies, stories in depth. Contextual understanding, secrets they've kept. Experiments, variables controlled. Cause and effect, insights unfold. Secondary data analysis, existing knowledge. Government reports, academia's pledge. Content analysis, words and images unfold. Unveiling patterns, stories yet untold. Ethnography, immersed in cultures unknown. Observing traditions, seeds of wisdom sown. Social network analysis, connections so vast. Influence and relationships, a web so vast. Data mining, patterns from data extracted. Hidden insights discovered, expectations disrupted. Action research, a cycle of change. Interventions made, a future rearranged. These methods, tools in the researcher's hand. Unveiling truths, the path to understand. With business research, decisions are refined. Success achieved, the future aligned. Section 4. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of business, knowledge we pursue. With research methods, we uncover what's true. Surveys and interviews, voices we hear. Focus groups and observations, insights draw near. Chorus. Business research, a quest for insight. From data analysis to experiments in sight. Case studies and content, stories to unfold. Ethnography and networks, connections untold. Verse 2. Secondary data analysis, wisdom passed on. Content analysis, narratives drawn. Ethnography's immersion, cultures to explore. Social networks, relationships at the core. Bridge. Data mining uncovers patterns untold. Action research drives change, bold and bold. With these methods, knowledge takes flight. Guiding decisions, shining the light. Chorus. Business research, a path to the wise. Unveiling truths, removing disguise. With methods in hand, we seek to find the knowledge that shapes and defines. Outro. As we conclude this MBA crash course, business research's infinite force. Embrace the methods, let curiosity guide. Unleash your potential, with research as your guide. In conclusion, this MBA crash course on business research methods and design has explored the essential role of research in generating knowledge and driving business success. We've delved into captivating stories and examples, and examined the top 12 research methods that organizations employ to gather insights and make informed decisions. Remember, the world of business is constantly evolving, and research is the key to staying ahead. By understanding and applying these research methods, you can unlock a world of knowledge, uncover valuable insights, and propel your organization to new heights of success. So, embrace the power of research, ask the right questions, and let the journey of discovery and innovation begin. May your endeavors be guided by wisdom and fueled by the thirst for knowledge. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.